Hi, people. Yeah, I'm doing it a little bit different. This is a update on Brooklyn Chick's bike that I'm building for her, the Ninja. Let me turn the camera on and I'll show you the progress so far. There it is right there. You can see the seat is on there. You can see the Kawasaki. See the hoses going into the brakes and the clutch. But and I had to remove the gas tank. Nothing lines up with the gas tank in the back seat, but now it's looking the part. Brooklyn, I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you love it, and we'll talk to you all later. Bye for now.